由观池创作并制作的 Amoris Lumina 缤纷自然濒危植物大型互动影像展于9月20日至10月23日在上海 K11 美术馆隆重举办，带您感受濒危植物的最后芬芳，聆听来自大自然的浪漫回响，亲眼目睹濒危生命闪耀的最后光芒。您将会进入到互动数码的奇幻世界，在这里，花儿会随着您的脚步移动而尽情绽放，魔法花粉会勾勒出你舞动的身姿，并和您同步舞蹈。向许愿桌吹气，见证真实到梦幻的转变，这一切好似进入另一个奇幻却又真实的思维空间。
With Amoris Lumina, I want to inspire people and create awareness about our nature. And damages we causing to her. This project is very important for megacities like Shanghai. Cities losing their connection with nature. When you're buying fruits or vegetables in a supermarket, we perceive them as just a product. For us, there is no difference between toothbrush or fresh mint leaves. However, there is an amazing story behind those fruits and vegetables. They are not just a product. They are the magic of life. This exhibition is about this unseen love story of nature, pollination, which we take for granted. Amoris Lumina is a digital interactive art installation. It is a digital rainforest. The latest sensory technologies and software developed by Gwantzi's new media lab will expand the boundaries of storytelling experience. Amoris Lumina will take the visitors to an interactive, spiritual, emotional journey, a love story of nature. Visitors will experience and participate in this magical story in a very immersive space. There will be lots of fun to interact with Pollens, flowers. Instead of crafting a scene to be watched, we are creating an environment to be explored. So visitors will be part of the story. Interactivity with participation is all about people coming together, collaborating to create multimedia experience. Visitors will be co-creating a story experience together with Amoris Lumina. For example, how flowers grow and pollination works. Visitors will be in the story by interacting with flowers, pollens, and even experience dancing with the pollens. I think creating a space not only to watch but also to interact will create stronger awareness, because when you have a real participation, visitors will not only be watching a story, but they will be part of the story. This is really exciting and educational. What do I love about interactive technologies? It draws people back into public spaces for the kind of emotional engagement you just can't get at home.